Hi, Hiwa. Can I check your preparation? Can I? Okay, let me see. First, your salmon. What is that? Watercress?
This one is water glass, and then a little bit it's different. I think so.
Okay.
It's okay, fine.
Okay, it doesn't matter. If you have any green things, cilantro or watercress or parsley or green onion, anything you can put it in the green things. I'm preparing the minari, but sometimes you don't have it. It is only in the Korean market. So you don't need to do all of them. I just make the for 2 people, amount of 2 people. So let me see, and then
I have the salmon. Salmon has the skin. It's okay, fine.
it's no, doesn't matter.
Okay.
So cut the, like this portion, same portion, maybe. Yes. Hello, everybody. I'm Wijong. We are starting to cook. Hi, Yunyo. Long time no see. So can I check your preparation? What do you, are you cooking with me?
I am cooking, but I got salmon for my kitties. But anyway, I have the cooking for them. I have the salmon last night, so I have a roast salmon here, and I have a couple of mushrooms. And your ingredients here, and I couldn't get the greens, but somehow I have no idea. I ordered this from H Mart.
Oh, anything, any green things is okay. Oh, a lot of green.
I love them, and I have a rice already soaked here.
Great.
Yeah.
How much amount do you prepare?
The rice, less than a cup.
Okay. I will start to check our my ingredients. Start. This is a salmon.
Yep.
And this is minari in Korean.
Minari. I think I got minari.
Minari. But I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what is called in English actually.
There was a name. I forgot. I sent you. It was a really nice name. Once you see the name, you will always know. It's like there is 6 letters of the name for it. Yes.
Oh, okay. And it's yes.
And
so
I got the same one, right?
Oh, yeah, I think so. So if you like the cilantro or any green things, you can substitute with those green things. So anything is okay. So, and 2 cups of rice in the water, soaked in the water for 30 minutes, around 30 minutes. But if you don't have time, rice in the water, it's okay. You can skip this part. It is okay. 다시마 in Korean, if you have kelp, it is much better. But it's optional. If you don't have, it's okay. Just those amount of rice, you can prepare the kelp, the half size of hand. It's enough. It doesn't matter if you don't want to sauce. It's okay. You don't need to. Sugar. I didn't prepare today the coconut palm sugars, but I will. Oh, that one. Good. Thank you. And vinegar and soy sauce and mirin. Hello. I already start. And it's Korean mustard. But if you don't have Korean mustard, you can use the wasabi or Korean pepper or the gochugaru, like that. So let's start. Preheat the saute pan first. I'm gonna grill the salmon first. So turn on the heat, medium heat for at least maybe around 4 minutes. Salt thoroughly. And pepper. I put a half of mirin.
Cooking wine.
Yes, if you have white wine, you can use it.
Oh.
Dry white wine. It's optional. It doesn't matter. You don't have anything. It's okay.
Okay.
And sauce too.
1, 2. Okay.
Marinate salmon. Raw massage.
Something I never done. I never really marinated seafood like this.
It's kind of, the Japanese style.
Yeah, good.
If you can marinate for at least 10 minutes, it's better, but it is okay. So how to check the pan is preheated? Touch the lid and very hot. Little bit of oil.
Little bit of oil.
Yes. You can see very, very, like wave, water wave. You can little bit reduce the heat little bit. Salmon is a little bit very thick. So I will cover the lid just around 1 minute.
Skin is not touching the surface. Skin is up.
Yes, skin is up. So during the grilling, the salmon, cooked salmon, I'm gonna drain the water. This is a saucepan. The rice put it in the saucepan. If the skin is sort of why the little bit is burning up because of the soy sauce. So it tastes good. If you don't like, remove it. Size, same amount of water. So I prepared 2 cups of rice and same amount of water, put it in the pan. Like 1, 2. And start with medium heat. If you have minari a lot and green things, just the end, cut it off the end and chop. That's it. It's very, very chop. This one?
Yes.
It is called minari in Korean, but I don't know in English. Actually.
The name, I'm gonna just let you know because I found out today by shopping online.
Oh, great!
I know I should have known this.
Have you seen the Minari movie?
No.
Yes.
E word. Interesting. Drop word. DROPWORT. Let me just type.
Drop wort.
Yeah, drop word. Okay, did you get it?
Also called water celery.
Oh, water celery?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, it's boiling and cover the. It's time to reduce the heat, low heat. Reduce low heat.
Okay.
That is in here. Everywhere.
Oh, I guess my rice has to be ready. I like this.
Cover, and we are waiting for maybe.
Salmon is like incredible. It's like first time I ever made with the soy sauce like this. It's really cool. So now put this on top of rice, right?
Oh, great. Spoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of mirin or cooking wine. I will tell you ratio. So 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. It's easy. And 1 tablespoon of vinegar. But many is sugar, when the sugar is melted well, add the half of a spoon of wasabi or yeonggyeoja in Korean mustard. So 5 minutes. Just bought from the Amazon kimchi powder.
Okay. I have Korean chili flakes too. I use mushroom as an option. Where do I use it?
Now you can put it in the when you turn it off. When you turn it off the rice pot, and they put the enoki mushroom.
Okay.
And then 5 minutes later you can mix it.
Got it. Cool. Now I didn't use garlic or ginger. Is it option?
Yeah, it's optional. If you want to put it in the right now, on top of the the salmon.
Okay. I don't know. What about jalapeno? Can I use jalapeno?
Jalapeno, put it in the dipping sauce. Unyo, you are gonna eat by yourself or you are gonna?
I'm gonna taste a little bit, but I'm not a really salmon person. But this is exciting. I only cook seafood for my cats.
Oh, oh my God! Your cat
Last
is
night, these are really nice. See, I cook salmon for my cats like that. I feed them and mix with their food.
Oh my God!
So they're not gonna eat this because there's soy sauce on it. But tonight I will try. Sorry, Miguel, what did you say?
Cat soy sauce or Korean chili paste?
They don't like soy sauce. They like butter. Butter and cheese, yeah. Anything like butter and cheese, they kind of.
Okay, 10 minutes later with a low heat, and I will gonna turn it off. And 5 minutes later, I think it's done.
Oh! I didn't put green.
It depends on your taste with the sauce or not. Me too. So today's cooking is done. So have a good dinner with salmon, and I'm gonna giving a picture too. See you next week. Bye, kitty.